What is up, guys? We are back today, and today we're coming at you guys with another video. As you guys see, the hood is up on the Jenny. Then recently we had picked up a Vis Racing carbon hood for the Genesis, a upgraded blowout valve, and then also a upgraded intercooler. But as y'all can see, the intercooler is kind of damaged, so I'm not really damaged, but I'm bent up, so I'm hoping that that isn't gonna like cause an issue. And then also with the hood, as y'all see, it's like you can push down on this side and it's not touching the floor, but that side is touching the floor, which is kind of confusing me. So I'm hoping the fitment is still good on this, but we won't know until we try it out. But as y'all can see, we have all the parts laid out right here, and let's get started. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna want to put on the hood first and then put on the intercooler and everything, but thing is, it's like in order for me to take off or put on the intercooler, I'm gonna have to take the bumper off, everything. So I feel like I might as well just get that done first and get all the like engine work done first, just so the hood, it can be last, and hopefully this goes good. But of less talking, and let's get started. I would say the worst part about all of this is that I'm gonna have to like take off the wide body just to take off the bumper. That's the ass part about once you do wide body, because every time you want to take off your bumper, or y'all can see my wrap is like completely getting destroyed, but we're gonna realign everything up, because also my headlights are not in the right spots. As y'all can see, this thing is like, yeah, my wrap got even worse right here. But damn, this thing just, this car looks so good, but it has all of its imperfections. Like, I also need to make sure that I need to hook that one on better, but nothing less, let's get started. Alright, boys, so we just got the hood off. As y'all see, this thing kind of looked dope as fuck without the hood. Got the hood over here, and then, so as y'all told you guys, so it ended up being 13mm sockets, so it wasn't 14s, but it was pretty easy to take off the hood. It's literally just 4 bolts, comes right off. I have both hoods laid out. Oh, I need this thing to focus. As y'all see, this thing is cooked, but we are going to be getting it redone, so it doesn't even matter. As long as the fitment is good on it, that's all that matters. But less speaking, more action. Alright, boys, so we did just get the hood on, as y'all see. So when we were doing the alignment and everything, the fitment right here looked like it was gonna close on it at first, but then we like put it closer and closer, and then turns out it cleared actually pretty good. And then so there is like gaps inside of this hood, but I feel like it does have to be adjusted still. And then because not only that, my bumper and my headlights are not inside the right placement, but damn, this thing is looking nasty. Yeah, the hood is literally all this car needed. Literally all it needed. And then if I get it wrapped or painted, carbon fenders too. And well, that's the thing. If I get carbon fenders, I'm gonna cut them either way because the wide body. Nah, this thing looks sick. Honestly, I cannot stop geeking about this hood. I don't know why, it just looks so good. The only thing that doesn't look so good is all the bad coating on it, but all that is gonna get fixed pretty soon. Yeah, boys, so here we have it. The hood is fully now on though. As y'all see, we do have like, well, on this side I would say it's literally perfect fitment on this side, but then this side over here we do have this huge gap, but it's literally just because my headlight isn't pushed in all the way. But as soon as I push that in all the way, this fitment right here is going to be good, and then I'm just going to have to move it to the left a little bit, and then we should have literally perfect fitment on a carbon hood, which is surprising. Yeah, boys, if you guys stuck around for this long, stay tuned for more. We got a lot more coming.